Did you know your skin can reveal signs of diabetes? Yes, you heard it right. The skin, our body's largest organ, often serves as a billboard for what's happening inside our bodies. When it comes to diabetes, a condition that affects your body's ability to regulate sugar levels, the skin is often one of the first places where signs of trouble might appear. Understanding the connection between diabetes and skin health is vital. High blood sugar levels, typical in diabetes, can cause a variety of skin conditions. These conditions might be your first clue that something is amiss with your health. Recognizing these early signs of diabetes can lead to early treatment, which can help prevent the condition from worsening and causing more serious health problems. So why not use your skin's messages to your advantage? Now, let's dive into the specific skin signs you should be aware of. Firstly, we have acanthosis nigricans. This is a skin condition that causes areas of your skin to become dark, thick, and velvety. Often found in body folds and creases, this condition is a common sign of insulin resistance, a hallmark of type 2 diabetes. Next, let's discuss diabetic dermopathy. This condition often presents as light brown scaly patches that may resemble age spots. They're usually found on the front of the legs and are caused by changes in the small blood vessels under the skin. The third sign is necrobiosis lipidica diabeticorum. This condition is characterized by shiny, reddish-brown patches that can become yellow and waxy in appearance. While it's not fully understood why, it's more common in people with diabetes. Finally, we have eruptive xanthomatosis. This condition manifests as firm, yellow, pea-like skin eruptions. It's typically seen in individuals with uncontrolled diabetes and high levels of blood fats. These are the first 4 skin signs, but there are more to watch out for. Next up is digital sclerosis. This condition affects around 1/3 of people with diabetes. It manifests as tight, thick, waxy skin that develops on the back of the hands and occasionally on the toes and forehead. It's a telltale sign of high blood sugar levels. Then we have disseminated granuloma annulari. This is a mouthful, isn't it? It's a ring or arc-shaped rash that can appear anywhere on the body. It's often red, pink, or skin-colored, and it's typically harmless, but it can indicate an underlying diabetes condition. Next is bullosis diabeticorum, a rare condition where blisters appear spontaneously on the hands, feet, or forearms. These blisters aren't painful and usually heal on their own, but their presence can reveal undiagnosed diabetes. Lastly, yellow skin. This can be a sign of high triglyceride levels, a common issue in diabetes. It's often seen around the eyes, knees, or elbows. Now that we've covered all 8 skin signs, let's recap and understand what they signify. To summarize, skin signs are crucial in early detection of diabetes. We have discussed 8 important signs that your skin may be trying to warn you about an underlying condition, like diabetes. These include darkened areas of skin, itchy and dry skin, yellowish bumps, skin tags, blisters, red or brown patches, shiny tight skin, and frequent skin infections. Each one of these signs could be your body's way of signaling a blood sugar imbalance. Recognizing these signs can help you take early action and manage diabetes effectively, potentially even before it fully develops. It's crucial to remember that these signs are not definitive proof of diabetes, but they are signals that should not be ignored. If you notice any such changes in your skin, it's important to consult a healthcare professional. They can provide the necessary guidance and help you understand what your body is trying to tell you. Remember, your skin is a mirror to your health. Don't ignore these signs and consult a healthcare professional at the earliest. Stay healthy and aware.